Hey guys, it's Mr. Chu, and here's what you're going to learn today. By the end of this video, you should be able to translate geometric notation into a sentence or diagram. And here are the directions for video 2. State any congruent statements you can make based on the image below. Then list all of the midpoints in the diagram. Now, the statements show that segment EN is 2 centimeters. So from E to N is 2 centimeters. And from T to A, it is 4 centimeters. Now, based off of the tick marks, EN is congruent to segment TN. They each have one tick mark. So if EN measures 2 centimeters in length, that means that TN also measures 2 centimeters in length. Now let's take a look at segment TA and determine what segment it is congruent to. Well, based off of the number of tick marks, it would be segment PE. TA is congruent to PE. So that means that PE must also be 4 centimeters. But what does that tell us about segment PN? And how does that compare to segment AN? Well, segment PN is made up of 2 segments, PE and EN. When measuring the entire segment, you'll note that it is 6 centimeters. Segment AN consists of 2 segments, AT and TN, and its total length is also 6 centimeters. So that means we can make one more congruent statement. We can say that segment PN is congruent to segment AN. Now, there's one last congruent statement we can make. What about segment ET? Segment ET is 4 centimeters in length. Notice that segment PE is 4 centimeters and segment AT is also 4 centimeters. We can add on to our middle statement that TA is congruent to PE and PE is congruent to ET. Each of those is 4 centimeters in length. Okay, that was a lot, but let's list out our midpoints now. So we can say that N is the midpoint of ET. N is also the midpoint of PA, the entire segment PA. Because segment ET is 4 centimeters and AT is 4 centimeters, we can say that point T is the midpoint of segment EA. For the same reason, we can say that point E is the midpoint of segment PT. The reason again, segment PE is 4 centimeters in length and segment ET is also 4 centimeters in length. That means that point E is the same distance away from point P and T. And that's it.